you are experienced person, you are familiar with this one. Stakeholders of the project, software project. Now tell me just who are the stakeholders of the project? First of all, who are stakeholders of a software project? Who are stakeholders? See, an individual or group or an organization who may affect or be affected by a decision or activity or outcome of a project. Getting an individual or organization or group who may affect or be affected by a decision or activity or outcome of a project. Here mention, suppose project, see designations may vary from one company to another. I am writing general. Project manager. Project manager is one of the stakeholder. Next,
business.
Important stakeholders.
Business, sir.
Business analyst. Business analyst. What about development team? Development team, including senior architects. Next, testing team.
Senior management.
Senior management.
Sponsor. Sponsor. Whoever the sponsor of the product.
Senior management. Next, testing team. What about customer?
So customer is a stakeholder. I don't.
You check after that.
Project.
Class. Project. Subcontractors.
Vendor.
Subcontractors. See, here only vendors. Subcontractors means suppose for a project you are purchasing some 40 HCL machines, one server, 2 server computers, 38 workstations. For that you placed order to your HCL distributor. Suppose you are purchasing some tools, UFT tool, etc. Suppose that subcontractor means distributor delaying of sending computers. That time your project lab setup may be disturbed na, may be delayed na.
Yes.
Next, consultants. Consultants. Suppose SME also consultant. Say in some companies, permanent employee or technical employee or business employee may conduct this subject, this one, domain knowledge. But in some companies, they may hire some consultants. Suppose insurance project, they may hire one insurance retired person, senior person for providing business knowledge. So most of the time consultants. Suppose training requirements means subject training, domain training, etc. Okay now? Sponsor.
Investor, sponsor of the product will be the stakeholder, right?
Pardon?
Sponsorer or investor?
Sponsorer or investor also a subcontract, stakeholder. But for most of the applications, no sponsors, direct customers. Okay. Suppose you are doing one project, you are telling na healthcare project. For that, who is the client?
You want client name, sir?
Client means end user.
End user or consumer, customer only.
Customer, okay. Who is that customer? Some company na? Organization.
Yes.
Organization. Who is sponsoring that project? Company only or some third party?
Some third party.
See, that time that sponsor are also a stakeholder, but for some projects, no sponsor, only
Yes.
direct customers. Suppose if you have any third party persons between development company and customer, that time they are also stakeholders. Getting any confusion or query? Ask me, Saurav Ghosh.
No, sir.